Hello guys, so today I'm discussing about the first diet of the day. So which is your the diet you should take when you wake up. First of all, just drink a lot of water when you just wake up, and after that what you should have you do is like just eat the Quaker oats. So you can take oats of any brand, but I eat this. So these are the oats, and these are the cranberries that I mostly use in my oats to just give the taste. First of all, just make your oats in a 2 minutes, and then just put cranberries in it, which will help to give some sweetness to the oats, because they are without any sugar. They are not able, like, you are not able to eat that much. So if you want to put extra sugar, so you should put some honey, which is a natural sugar. So it will helps to lower down the cholesterol and fat level. So this is our first tip to take the first meal of the day. Please like and subscribe my channel. After that I will show you the second tip, or the second meal of the day, in the next video. So just put the bell icon in and just press subscribe button. So this is the first and my first video for the first meal. There are also some videos on different types of proteins that I have uploaded. You can see and choose which protein is better for you. So please like and subscribe my channel. So I just have make my oats. So you can use any type of oats, because it is a less like, it contains carbohydrates and protein as well, so which will help you to do workout for your gym.